And here's one for the Mustang fans. It's a 2006 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 43,388. Here's the deal though. There's been some money spent on tasteful mods, appearance, and performance. 420 rear wheel horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque. Over 15,000 spent on this car, and like I said, tastefully done. We're going to hit on some of the things as we walk around. First of all, 4.6 liter, of course, underneath the hood. On top of that, a Kenne 2.6 liter supercharger kit with 9 psi, and again, that's what's pushing that horsepower up. And it was done at approximately 33,000 miles, so about 10,000 miles since most of these mods were done. 5-speed manual transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. And as you can see, G2 paint code, red fire pearl metallic. And it has this custom overlay stripe on it with the custom flames. And it's like a carbon fiber with the red fire inlay on it. And like I said, it's tastefully done. It's got a good look to it. Check out the still pictures. You'll see this car from every angle, and this continues on all the way to the deck lid. We'll get back there and show you that in a bit. First of all, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And you can see it's not full of rock chips, touch-ups. Considering age of the car and miles, extremely nice shape. Torque thrust style wheels, polished, Continental, extreme contact radials. Something else you notice behind there, this one does have a different brake kit on it. It's the SVT front brake upgrade, and as you could also see, slotted and drilled rotors. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side to the rear of this car. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've noticed. Dark charcoal interior, leather buckets, of course, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that interior out a little bit closer in just a bit. And here's that deck stripe that I was talking about, continuing from the front, and exactly the same thing, kind of that carbon fiber overlay. It is cleared over. Again, tastefully done. Continues back to the rear panel, and then you can see the more modern looking taillights have been installed. This will come with car cover, SCT tuner. I'm going to get into that in just a little bit, and then those are tools for the BC adjustable coilovers that are in the rear. Front struts also adjustable. And how about exhaust? Let's get into that for a bit. It's an American Racing long tube headers have been installed. Cats with X-pipe, so it does have full exhaust with cats. Flowmaster hush power mufflers. Up front, cold air intake, the JLT Series 3 intake, and then that SCT tuner. That will go along with it. Her shifter when we get to the interior, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the underside in just a bit. First off, let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. No matter what year, go ahead and subscribe. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. A lot of specialty Mustangs, older Mustangs, a little bit of everything. And you can see up and down this driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Custom pony logo on the door for the gas lid. All right, suspension. I mentioned the BC Racing adjustable coilovers in the rear. It also has adjustable rear upper control arms, as well as the panhard bar, polyurethane bushings, and the sway bar in the front has definitely been upgraded. It is a thick one. Again, over 15,000 in custom modifications of this car. Brakes are 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. Technician. Didn't really have any notes on this car except for it drives out well. The door panels have been replaced with the composite, so you don't have that fabric that separates and sags. Power seat, driver's side. Leather, of course, a dark charcoal. Someone has also installed WeatherTech, which is great because it keeps the sand and the grit and the crap off your carpet and in your carpet. No, that does not mean this car was driven in inclement weather by any means. Take a look at the underside. You can figure that out for yourself. We'll look underneath the hood in just a bit. Let's start it up so you can hear it run. If you stick around to the end of this video, Jason's going to take this car for a drive too. I might make a special note and tell him to get after it a little bit. I don't know how he's been doing his driving videos, if he's showing off a little bit or not. But this one, I know I would if I was doing it. All right, hear that? Full bark to it. There's your exact miles, 43,388. No service engine, soon light, no check engines, anything like that. Sensors are all plugged back into that exhaust. It does have the CATS Shaker 1000 system on this one. Of course, that is working. You can hear that bass. Oof. AC's blowing cold. Dash looks good. Take a little listen. Thing's got to sound excellent under throttle. And then at idle, listen to this deep, throaty exhaust note. Sounds good, looks good, folks. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. We gotta get this hood open. Check out this engine bay. See how it looks underneath there. Give me a second, let's get that hood open. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean again. Has not been driven in inclement weather, and it shows on this one. There it is, a 4.6 liter. Pumping out 420 horse, 410 pound-feet of torque. Stage 1, Kenne valve system. Has a carbon fiber style valve cover too, instead of those ugly aluminum ones. MSD injectors, so the upgrade professionally done, and it shows. That is the AC compressor kicking on and off. Once again, AC's cold, power steering, power brakes. It's a beauty and a great color, tastefully done. Any questions, call 507-386-1726. Take your time looking through all those still pictures, especially the underside. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2006 Ford Mustang, but this is no usual Mustang. We've got power adders by Kenne, making it even more fun. A custom paint job that also looks great. This is a 5-speed manual. I have the window down just so you can hear it a little bit. Still sounds great with the window up. This car has such an awesome sound when you're on the throttle. Kind of sounds exotic to me. Our gauges are all working. The fuel gauge almost full, temperature gauge almost halfway. Stereo sounds good. For the most part, inside and from the exterior, other than the paint, it appears to be a stock Mustang, so it's almost a sleeper but for that paint as far as how much power she's going to be able to put out on the road. I just want to keep playing with the throttle. Of course, the air conditioner blows cold, the wipers work. All your modern amenities from 2006 in full play. Take second gear for the traffic circle here. And then let's get some more throttle sound. Corners very well, nice and flat. That's only 3,500 RPM to 4,000 RPM. It sounds so good. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.